What's up guys, I am Zain and today I'm going to show you how to create a Wix website for free. Now first thing you should do is to simply open Wix website. Then what you should do is to log in or create an account. So I'm going to click on get started right here. And now it will ask you to enter your email password. Then click on sign up down below. Now click on sign up. Then what you should do right now is to simply log in into your account. And now after signing up and logging in into your account and after adding all of your information, what you should do right now is to simply go to this dashboard right here. And what you should do right now is to simply click on edit site, or you can simply go to this icon right here and click on create new site, or you can simply go to this area right here and click on create new site. And this is because I have already a previous website. So I'm going to click on create new site, and now it will ask you if you want to get ideas with AI. In this case, I'll choose setup without chat. Now it will ask you some things about the type of the website. So I'm going to choose a portfolio. Here you have many options. You have design portfolio, journalist portfolio. I'm going to type design portfolio, for example. Then I'm going to click on continue. And now it is doing like processing in order to give you some templates that you can choose from. Now it will show you this page right here. And what you should do right now is simply enter the name of your site. So I'm going to name it GZ, for example. Then click on continue, and you can skip this for now. And here you will add some apps if you want, but just let me skip these points or these steps right now. Then what you should do right now is to simply go into your dashboard again, go to the website that you are going to edit its design. Then you should tap on this button on the top right corner, design site, click on it. And here you have two options: generate a design using the AI or pick a template. So I'm going to pick a template because I do not want to use the AI right now, but you have the choice. You can simply use the AI if you want. Now let me choose a template. I'm going to choose this one here, for example. Then I'm going to click on edit, and now as you can see, it's optimizing your site, adding some elements, and then it will ask you if you want to type a description about your website or not. And here, as you can see, it shows me this window right here, and this window is asking you if you want to add some details about your site using the AI. So here in the description, I'm gonna type, for example, a portfolio for me as a graphic designer, for example. Then I'm gonna click on generate site text. It will take a couple of minutes. And now what you can simply do is to add more elements to your website. Now let me just zoom in a little bit. As you can see here, I have the description. And actually dealing with Wix is very simple. You have to click on this icon or this button above in order to zoom in and zoom out. And now if you want to modify or edit anything, you can simply click on it like this. You can change the background. As you can see, I'm going to change it to this one here, for example. As you can see, I have also the text. You can simply click on it and you can change the font type. I'm going to choose this one here, for example. It looks much more better. You can change the size of the font, and you can also add some effects to your font. As you can see, you have also the vertical text option. So you have many options that you can actually try. And if you want to create AI text, you can simply click on this icon right here and enter a prompt in order to create your AI text. Now let's go to another section. You can also tap on any one of these backgrounds. You can click on add an image. As you can see here, it will show you this. You can simply add whatever images you want. You can also get some images from Shutterstock, Unsplash, or media from Wix itself. And you can change the design by clicking on this icon right here. You can add some colors. You can customize the design more. You can simply click on this icon right here and you can change the contrast, and you can change the opacity also. You can add another colors from this color picker right here. So actually it's very easy to deal with Wix. And now you can also add more elements from this section right here. You can simply click on add elements, and now what you should do is to simply drag and drop. Now let me choose a button, for example. You can simply click on it, hold it, then drag it and drop it wherever you want. You can adjust its size. You can change the text inside it. I'm gonna click on settings, then I'm gonna change the text to click here, for example. You can also change the size. You can also put an icon if you want. As you can see here, we have this icon right here. So you can add a link. You can click on this icon right here and add a link. You can add a page, an email, web address, phone number, anything that you want. You can animate this button. As you can see, you have many animations. It's very useful and it will make your website looks magnificent. You can also loop the animation, as you can see. So you have many options. All you have to do is to just discover all these elements and try what is suitable and perfect for your site. You have also some text options. You have the paragraphs, titles. Here you have some good fonts right here. You can add the text box wherever you want. You can click on animations also and create an animation for this text. You can edit the font size, so you can do any modifications you want. And here you have also some other things that you can do. You can actually add some pages. So I'm gonna click on this icon right here, and here you have these options. You can click on add menu item. You can click on new page or dynamic pages. You can also add a section. So I'm gonna add a new page, for example. I'm gonna add a projects page. You can simply here choose one of these templates, and after you choose the template that you want, you can simply modify these pictures and change it with the picture that you want. You can simply click on edit image and it will jump you directly to this page. You can change the brightness, you can change the contrast, and all these things. After you finish it, you can simply click on save, and you can also even change the image itself by clicking on change image right here. You can upload from your PC or even try to get some from Shutterstock or Unsplash or any other websites that you know. You can also edit the text. Here also on the left side, you have the site design. You can actually change the color theme, the text theme. You can change the page background, the page transitions, and you have also here the Wix applications, which are actually some add-ons that you can use in order to make your website more easy to use. And here also you have this option, My Business. You can click on it and choose the payments options that you want. You can add a new form of payment, and here, as you can see, you have many options. You can add this form, for example, and now here, as you can see, you have this box right here. On the left side, you also have the media partition, which you can use it in order to upload your media, Instagram, Facebook, some photos, videos, and so on. And lastly, the CMS, which you can easily use in order to create dynamic pages, which I have discussed or explained in a previous video. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.